She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place, she looking on my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick.
Hey you guys, so let's jump right into this crochet tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys the Bobbi Boss BAE LOCS in colors 27 and color 33. These BAE LOCS do have 2 accent dreads in each pack. The dreads are curly at the end. They are super lightweight. They are hollow on the inside, and they're just really beautiful. I decided to not do a natural 1B color. I wanted to get some color, you guys, for the summer. So I love the 2 colors that I chose. So I went ahead and installed a few, but I wanted to show you my braid pattern. My braid pattern is a part straight down the middle and then braids coming down diagonally off each side of the part. There are 6 braids on either side. So this is about halfway done, and I did want to show you how I crocheted each braid, how I crocheted each dread in. So I just used the regular crochet method, pulled the loop through, and then just, you know, pull the rest of the dread through and then tightened it down on my braid at the bottom. Now for the accent ones that have the yarn around them, you have to be careful because you will pull the yarn apart if you don't do it correctly. I learned the hard way. So you pull the loop through, then you go ahead and grab the lock. On the ones that have the yarn, do not grab it from the top or from the middle. If you do that, you will pull the yarn off of the dread at the bottom. So grab it from the bottom where the yarn starts, not from the bottom of the dread, from the bottom of the part where the yarn starts. I hope that makes sense because I really don't want you guys to mess up your accent dreads because you will have to go back and correct the yarn part that got ruined. So that's the right way to do it, you guys. When I installed the hair, I did put the 33 at the bottom and the 27 at the top to give it kind of that ombre look. So I'm just going to show you one more time how to install the one with the yarn. So make sure you pull it from the bottom where the yarn starts, pull it through the loop, and then go ahead and tighten it down onto the dread. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of me crocheting the hair, and then I will come back to show you how I styled my edges. Alright you guys, so this is the edge control I use. It's my favorite edge control. It's the only one that I use. It is from Evan and it is their 24-hour edge tamer. There is a link to all my favorite products in the information bar of every single video that I post. So if you guys are ever wondering what my favorite products to use are, definitely check the information box down below. So I went ahead and did some extra AF baby hairs, you guys. Like, I went ham. Do not come for me. You do not have to do your edges like this, but if you want that extra dramatic look, this is how you can get it. So I also just really quick wanted to mention that if you want super extra baby hairs like this, it's best to not do it on braids that are brand spanking new and super tight, because you won't have the hair that you can like pull out the way you'll need to. So this is the finished product, you guys. I went ahead and added some of the gold cuffs just as a little detail, but I really love the way this hair came out, and I think the real reason I love it so much is because of the braid pattern. This diagonal braid pattern has become my favorite foundation for so many different styles. For my lace fronts, it lays perfectly flat. For my synthetic units, it lays amazing. And then for these crochets, it has just been bomb. And even though the braids are super old, they still came out nicely, you guys. I'm really happy with these Bobbi Boss BAE LOCS, and I'm super happy with this braid pattern. If you guys have questions for me, leave them in the comment section down below. I did get this hair from samsbeauty.com, and I'll leave a link to where you can purchase down in the information box as well. So I also have to mention, I am aware of the controversy with Natural Babe 1011, and I will comment on that on a separate video. But as far as this video, I just wanted to do the tutorial and show you guys how to install these BAE LOCS. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I'll talk to you guys later.